Okay, we're going to run a little video on the tool trailer here. It's got tools, antiques, C-clamps, boxes and boxes of gloves, pipe wrenches, electrical cords, military oil cans, Milwaukee 90 angled drill, another Milwaukee drill. One appears to be new in the box. Lots of sockets, lots more C-clamps. We got antiques on here, collectibles, chainsaws, open-end box wrenches, combination wrenches, more pipe wrenches, mallets, fur stretchers, wooden pulleys, beam scale, Model A horn, antique light, oil bottles, iron skillets, and we haven't touched the building yet. It's just completely, massively full. There's another room and a small upstairs.